guys. Hello.
Didi,
Yes, Preeti, tell me. What did you guys learn so
yeah,
far?
yes. So
हेलो.
we are learned about fight between क्या था किसके आपने तो बहुत सारे बोले ना किसके तो
Revolt किसके बीच में था?
रिवोल्ट ना
Yes. Who was it? Who was India fighting?
To waste.
Yeah, that is right. But in this chapter, who are we seeing basically? किससे लड़ाई किससे रिवॉल्ट हो रहा है इंडिया का? Come on यार guys. Okay, British से. Okay.
ब्रिटिश हाँ मैं वही याद कर रही थी
Yeah. Okay, and can someone tell me when was this revolt? In which year?
19 नहीं 19
हेलो.
1987 90 बोलो प्रीति
Yes, go on. Who is saying hello? Go on.
1980s.
19?
80s.
Are you sure?
You repeat please question again.
Okay, the question is 1 minute. Just let me go to the main screen where I have to teach you guys. Which year did the revolt start? Come on, tell me. It is not in 19.
1856.
18
1850 what? 1850 what?
1856.
No, it is
1875
No, it is 57. So the person who said 56 is close, but अगर आपको याद नहीं आ रहा है dates, तो don't write it in the paper, because if you write the wrong dates, then your marks get cut. Okay, the year and all your
Sorry.
marks. It's okay, no issues. This is the way you will learn. So the date of the revolt is 1857. Cool. Okay.
yes Didi
Okay, so now guys, you all can mute and I will start. I have already finished 6.3, but वो थोड़ा record नहीं हुआ in the recording, so I will start a little more. Okay, so 6.3, the topic is background of the founding of the Indian National Congress. So all of us know Indian National Congress, right?
yes
INC, yes.
INC
Yes, अभी भी INC है. So now the founding of the Indian National Congress that eventually followed the 1857 Independence War was a key event in the independence movement of India. Okay, they founded this Congress. So why? Because everything was happening so fast and somebody needed to take hold of the political things happening in the country. Now it was the first organization in India that pulled people from all quarters of India, from everywhere, all the possible places, matlab Maharashtra, Goa, Bengal, UP, Bihar, Delhi, each part of the country, these guys came, and it was like in it's not a state Congress party, it was a national Congress, Indian National Congress Party. Fine. The Dwarkan Tagore.
Didi
Yes.
Didi it was the first party no
Yes, it was
India.
a first one. Yes, Indian National Congress. Okay. Now Dwarkan Tagore established Landholders Association in 1837 to safeguard the interests of the landlords. Now there were many landlords in India. Okay, many jagirdars and watandars and so on and so things. So this guy established a Landholders Association to safeguard the interests of the landholders. Now in 1839, William Adams, a friend of Rajaram Mohan Roy, established British India Society in London to acquaint the British citizens in England. Matlab, to tell them what is happening in the Indian society, how the Indian society works. Can somebody tell me who is Rajaram Mohan Roy? Any one of you? Who is Rajaram Mohan Roy? कौन है ये इंसान? बहुत फेमस है ये इंसान, मतलब हर हिस्ट्री चैप्टर में सुनाई देता है इसके बारे में. Who is this guy? Come on.
Didi actually I heard his name but I'm not
Go on, give me an answer. No problem. You've heard this name. Okay, anything about him, what he has done. एक hint देती हूँ. उन्होंने ना मेन जो मैं एक बोलती हूँ, उन्होंने जो देखा है, what he saw, he didn't like some practice which was going on in this woman thing. one practice.
Human rights के वो सब.
Human rights, yes, but there was something which he did not like, where the practices were going on in the Hindu society, which was very bad for the women. Okay.
Did he like Sati and all? No.
Very true. Sati is the right answer. He
Yes,
saw it.
ma'am told me, and I am not remembered that. I
No,
forgot.
it is Sati. Okay, so he saw
Yeah.
this. Now, how he saw this Rajaram Mohan Roy, he was in, I'll tell you a little more about him. Okay.
Yeah.
So this Rajaram Mohan Roy, he was from a very, very rich family. Okay. He's a Brahmin. Now, at that time, Brahmin, matlab so big. They are such a very, very high scaled family. Okay. They have a lot of prestige and all that things. And he was from a very well-to-do family. Then he went to study. His parents sent him for studies. Okay. He went to studies to Varanasi, and now Varanasi is there, and also Ganga and all that nearby places. So near Varanasi and all, he went to study out there. Now when he came back, he saw something which he did not like. Now he also studied a little bit of a British culture. Okay, so once you study, once you educate yourself, your entire now this not only does not go for Rajaram Mohan Roy. Okay, in this you can also see, when I'm talking about when you study British knowledge, or when you study, or when you read, when you come to know the difference between right and wrong, you start thinking. Okay, this is with everyone, the moderators, the extremists, the freedom fighters. Okay, I'm not talking only of Rabindranath Tagore. Sorry, Rajaram Mohan Roy. I'm talking in general. So this guy was educated. Then he came home. When he came home, he saw that his brother's wife, that means his bhabi, that means his sister-in-law, she was going for sati, and he did not allow that. He did not allow that injustice going on. Then he saw child marriage. Then he started raising his voice. Then he founded the Brahmo Samaj, then the Arya Samaj, and all that kinds of Samaj. And then later is a lot of more history of Rajaram Mohan Roy. So this is basically what Rajaram Mohan Roy is. So one thing, very important thing you all should remember is all your life, is that once you educate yourself, once you read and write or hear anything and just, begin to learn, it shows you the difference between right and wrong. Am I clear? Anyone? Come on.
Yes.
Okay, fine. You all agree, right?
Answer नहीं दे पाऊंगा, sorry.
Did he?
Sorry, what?
Did he?
Ha, tell me.
This also in political science, it is also in political science में भी है.
Yeah, very true. Someone else was speaking. Who was it? और कोई भी था ना?
No, Didi, I.
Okay. When I asked that who agrees to it, someone else said no. Someone said no.
No, Didi.
I
don't know.
I don't know. I just heard no. So do you believe in this saying that agar padega India to badega India? Like, that's the only example I can give. Or if you like, see, in the very old age, they used to not study, okay, but they had common sense. But what used to happen is that common sense though was there, but then it came, religious matters came, and then all the other things. So people started believing myths in what do you call is that क्या होता है वो चीज? You believe in something, superstitions. Yes, in superstitions and all. So you need people to be educated. Like for example, take the Kali Billi ka thing. Agar ek Kali Billi ne tumhara rasta kaata, then something wrong is going to happen with you. Some people believe that, some people do not believe that. Now mostly it is seen in the Hindu religion. So
I'm not believe this.
Sanjeev, okay, Sanjeev, you tell me why. Don't worry, no problem. Tell me why.
Yeah, because ये सिर्फ पुराने लोग सोचते थे. अभी हम लोग ये सब सोचते नहीं बैठे, क्योंकि हर एक चौल में बिल्ली पाला हुआ होता है.
Yeah, very true. No,
हम कितना ऐसा ध्यान देंगे?
No, that is very true, Sanjeev. Even I agree to it. भाई वो बिल्ली का क्या कसूर है? वो बिल्ली तो बिल्ली है ना, उसके वजह से तुम्हारा एक्सीडेंट थोड़ी ना हो सकता है, right? I am with you.
हेलो.
Right, yeah.
Yes. Tell me, निर्भय.
इतने स्लो आवाज क्यों आ रही है आप लोग की?
आवाज सही है निर्भय, तेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. आवाज ठीक है.
एक्चुअली नाम मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा लग रहा है.
Okay,
हाँ,
do
सही
one
बात
thing,
है.
nearby, do one thing. If you can't hear, you connect your earphones. Otherwise, join again.
Okay, okay.
Okay, try that. Fine, I will go ahead. Nearby, you can mute yourself. You see, if you think if you can say sorry, you can hear me. Then just give me a just give me like I can hear karke in the middle of the lecture. Fine, cool. Okay, till then you can mute yourself.
Okay.
So we'll go back. So I think it's very clear. मैंने थोड़ा और भी information दी है more than the topic. Let's get back to the topic where we are. So after this guy establishing the British Indian Society in London to acquaint the British citizens in England with the conditions in British India, मतलब उनके मुताबिक वो society established की गई थी and all that stuff. After that, later George Thompson, a friend of Dwarkan Tagore, established Bengal British Indian Society. Okay, this guy, who is this guy? George Thompson, a friend of Dwarkan Tagore, established Bengal British Indian Society. Now in 1851, the Landholders Association and the Bengal British India Society merged together and the British Indian Association was formed. Now you see how things came. Okay, now for example, just take me as Bengal British India, okay, and take Sandeep as the landholders. Okay, now we said, now we agree on one thing, like why are we separate? Okay, why are we separate? Let's get together ना. Let's थोड़ा अब एक ही purpose के लिए काम करें तो let's get together something. Let's get together. So when we got together, when we merged together, like I and Sandeep, when we joined hands together, then we became the British Indian Association. You're getting me, everyone?
Yes.
Cool, fine. Nirbhay, can you hear
Yeah.
us? Can you hear us now? Nirbhay, can you hear us?
Hello.
दीदी,
हाँ Nirbhay. Sanjeev. Okay, who is talking?
दीदी,
Yes.
आपके घड़ी का आवाज ना बहुत तेज है.
क्यों?
मेरे घड़ी का आवाज बहुत तेज है. Oh, I'm so sorry.
हाँ.
So sorry. Is it
No,
disturbing?
मैं दीदी, it's okay.
हाँ,
No,
disturb नहीं
it's
है.
not
I am-
disturbing.
वो आपको बता रहा है कि कितना सुनाई दे रहा है नोटिस.
Okay, fine. I'll come a little more closer to
No.
the screen. So is it okay now? Is it fine? My voice? सुनाई दे रहा है clearly?
Yes.
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 Okay, fine. Chalo, mute again. Fine. So I said, right, how we merged, how Sandeep and Sarah got merged, and how British Indian Association was founded. Now, by the initiative of Harish Chandra Mukherjee, this organization dispatched a document presenting grievance of Indian people to the British Parliament. Now, this association showed what? क्या बात करती है ये, कैसे लोग हमारे देश में जी रहे हैं, कैसे क्या फेस कर रहे हैं, कैसे प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे थे, वैसे डॉक्यूमेंट्स डिस्पैच करके वो ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में प्रेजेंट करने वाले थे. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग, दिस इज एन इजी थिंग, ओके, इट्स जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस मीनिंग. इट्स लाइक if you're going to fight a case, okay, you're going to fight a case, for example, just an example, no teasing anybody, fine. Now Sanket has falsely accused me of not teaching chapter 6. ठीक है, उसने मेरे को अक्यूज किया कि सारा ने चैप्टर 6 सिखाया नहीं, और वो सब सबूत और सब जो भी उसके पास जो भी witnesses है वो he will present it to the court, okay, and that's how then the court will be Sanjeev is the court, so Sanjeev will see, okay, this is it. Fine, you're getting me how it is?
Yes.
Yes.
और बहुत सिंपल वे में बताया, अगर प्रॉपर.
Yes, I am judge.
Okay, fine. Let's move ahead. Now, about the same time, Madras Native Association also began to work on similar lines. Okay, same thing. See, so every state came up. Now in 1866, Dadabhai Navroji, in collaboration with Vomesh Chandra Banerjee, established East India Association in London and began the work of creating awareness about Indian conditions. Now remember this, very important. Again, I'm repeating. In 1866, Dadabhai Navroji, in collaboration with Vomesh Chandra Banerjee, established Indian Association in England and began the work of creating awareness about Indian conditions. I'll make it more simpler ताकि तुम लोगों को याद रहे and it will just get into your mind. Okay. Nirbhai will be Dadabhai Navroji
Yes.
and Preeti will be Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Fine. Okay. Now they establish East India Association, that will be Sanjeev. So Sanjeev is East India Association, which is established in London. And what does East India Association began? What is Sanjeev's main role? This association began the work of creating awareness about Indian society. Any doubt? Can anybody tell me what I said?
Very good.
No, Didi, not doubt.
No doubt. Okay, can somebody tell me who's Preeti?
Not doubt.
Who's Preeti?
Umesh
Banerjee.
Banerjee. And who is, what is the next name I took? Sandeep or Sanket?
Nirbhai.
Nirbhai, what are you? Dadabhai Navroji, right?
Yes.
Yes. And who is East India Association?
Sanjeev.
Sanjeev. Very good. Now this all you have to keep in mind is 1866. ठीक है?
1880. No.
1866.
1866. Okay. Just remember. Now you guys are like 17 or 16? 16, 17 years old?
17.
Yes.
17.
Think about, you are going to turn 18. You're going to turn 18 and 66. 66. Okay? 66 याद रखो.
Okay.
Fine?
आज कर ले 18 साल के हो जाओ.
Okay,
मैं हो
fine.
गया हूँ.
Let's move. Okay, fine. Okay, let's move ahead. Now, the Indian League was active in this regard from 1875. Later, Surendranath Banerjee established Indian Association and declared that this association would work for uniting Indians of various racial origin and caste with the help of common political interests and aspirations. Now, in this league, what happened? What this league declared or what this association said? They said that all Indians, Indians of any race, caste could work, okay, and could see the common political, who had common political interest. Okay. Now, what happened is Indian Association called a conference of the representatives of various Indian provinces in 1883 at Kolkata. Fine. Idhar tak samjha?
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. Cool. Okay. Now, the Madras Mahajan Sabha, founded in 1884, was an important nationalist organization. Remember this very well. The Madras Mahajan Sabha, founded in 1884, was an important nationalist organization. So let's do one thing. To make it more, more fun and more simpler, and to get it more, you can remember it. What we'll do is that कि मैं ना अभी सबको एक नाम देती जाऊंगी. Like, for example, how I gave Preeti Vomesh Chandra Banerjee, and then for Nirbhai, who was Nirbhai? Dadabhai Navroji. And then Sanjeev was Indian Association. So let's do one thing.
East India Association.
East India Association.
East India Association. Very good, यार. तुम लोगों को तो समझ गया. Very nice. So this is much better, right?
Yes. दीदी अभी सब चैप्टर में ऐसे सिखाओ तो इजी लगेगा. ठीक
है, cool. मेरे को भी बहुत खुशी हो रही है, बता. अरे यार क्या है ये ऐसे करते हैं. Okay. So whenever there is any important things like that, I will take people's names.
Very good trick.
Yeah. So you all will know. Now, the Madras Mahajan Sabha, founded in 1884. Now this will be Sanket. Okay, so Sanket, you are Madras Mahajan Sabha and you are founded in 1884. Why? And and you are important nationalist organizations. Fine, Sanket, with you?
Yes.
Cool. क्या हो तुम?
Madras Mahajan Sabha.
And when are you founded?
1884.
Cool. You're founded. Wapas, I'll repeat 3 things about you, Sanket. Madras Mahajan Sabha, 1884, an important
1884.
an important nationalist organization. Cool. Chalo, let's go ahead. Now, at about the same time in English education, and urge for social reforms resulted in the formation of Bombay Presidency. So the Bombay Presidency was founded like that. 1 minute. Bombay Presidency Association. Okay, it was founded in January 1885 by Justice Kashinath Trimbak Telang. Okay, and then Firoz Shah Mehta and their associates. So along with Kashinath Trimbak.
Hello.
Yes, Ankit, tell me.
काशीनाथ क्या था वो?
Kashinath Trimbak Telang. Okay, and Firoz Shah Mehta and their associates. मतलब इन लोग के साथ उनके साथ मिल के this British, what is it? एक मिनट मेरे को नीचे जाने दो, मेरा स्क्रीन नीचे है. Bombay Presidency Association was found in January 1885 by Justice Kashinath Trimbak Telang and Firoz Shah Mehta and their association. Fine. Any doubts about 6.3 background of founding the Indian National Congress? So I'll move ahead with 6.3.
No.
Cool. Fine. I'm going ahead. So 6.4, founding the Indian National Congress. Now, how this thing's founded? Okay. So on 20th December 1885, the first session of Indian National Congress was held at Mumbai in Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College. Okay, it is here only in Mumbai. So we'll remember this very well because this is very important. Okay, and then how many delegates? 72.
Didi, can you repeat again?
Yes, I will repeat again. 1 minute, Preeti, I will repeat again. Then 72 people came from various parts of the places. As Vomesh Chandra Banerjee presided over the meeting. Now, what we'll do is let's take another participant. चलो और एक और किसको मौका नहीं मिला है? संजीव को मिला है, निर्भय को मिला है, प्रीति को मिला है, संदीप संकेत को मिला है, और कौन है हमारे साथ? Let's see who's there. Sumit. अरे Sumit is left. Is Sunil also there? Sunil be
No,
here.
Sunil is not there.
Yeah, he's not there. Right?
Yeah.
He's not there, but he is there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Didi.
Okay, cool. 1 minute, huh? Okay, fine. So let's do one thing. Let's give Sumit also an opportunity. So Sumit, so you remember one thing. Now on 28th December 1885, the first session of Indian National Congress. Now Indian National Congress tum ho, and on 28th December 1885, the first meeting was held in Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College, and 72 delegates from various parts of India had come there. Can you remember that, Sumit?
Actually, he is not answering any subject.
सुमित बोलता नहीं बस करता है.
Yeah.
Okay. Sumit, are you not free to talk or something? क्या हो रहा है?
नहीं पता दीदी उसके क्या तो रिस्पॉन्ड सुनता है पर रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करता. क्या पता क्यों? रीजन पूछा तो माइक्रोफोन खराब हो क्या पता.
लेकिन इससे ऑलरेडी कैसा समझ में आएगा?
Okay, cool.
हाँ वही तो ना कॉल भी रिसीव नहीं होता.
ठीक है. I got your point. So let's mute again. Fine. So, but let ठीक है. अगर Sumit, if you're not answering, fine. If you're not comfortable, it's okay, no problem.
मुझे ही बना दीजिए, no problem.
भाई तेरे को मिला ना chance. Let's give Sumit also a chance because I can't keep scrolling tandem, so I don't know. So मेरे को सिर्फ ऊपर के participants दिख रहे हैं. मैं भूल गई Sumit भी है करके. ठीक है. So now remember one thing, Sumit. Okay, Sumit is Indian National Congress. Okay, the first session was held in Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College when on 28th December 1885. Can not Preeti तो जवाब ही नहीं देगी. Somebody else, please tell me when and what is this? What am I?
1885, 28th December.
Fine. 1 minute, Sanjeev. Wait. Very good. Can somebody tell me more? 1 point Sanjeev has given me. The next point. Come on. Where was it held?
Goguldas, Goguldas what?
Tejpal Sanskrit College.
Yeah, Goguldas Tejpal Sanskrit College.
Fine.
Okay.
ठीक है, no problem. And okay, so we see four things over here. First, 28 December 1885, the first session of Indian National Congress was held in Mumbai, Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College. It was attended by 72 delegates from various parts of India. I am going ahead. Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Now, Vomesh Chandra Banerjee कौन है? चलो बोलो.
दीदी मैं
Vomesh Chandra Banerjee, ठीक है. Now you presided over this session. तुमने बात किया. Okay, you started with the meeting. Cool, Preeti?
Yes, दीदी.
Cool, fine, done. Okay, so now what happened is many eminent people like Firoz Shah Mehta, Dadabhai Navroji, Rahimuttala Sayani, Kashinath Trimbak Telang, Gopal Krishna Gokhale participated in proceeding of this session. So after Preeti, like for example, Preeti is Vomesh Chandra Banerjee, fine. So after Vomesh Chandra Banerjee presiding over the meeting, so he gave the first introduction of what is happening, and then after that, people. Just a minute, huh? Okay, sorry. So what happened is after Vomesh Chandra Banerjee speaking, then which people came? Now eminent people like Firoz Shah Mehta. Huh?
संदीप saying what I am, मतलब वो क्या है?
Tell him what he is. Come on, tell him what he is. क्या है वो, बताओ उसको. कोई तो बताओ यार, अभी तो मैंने बताया कौन है वो.
I don't know, आपने कुछ पॉइंट नहीं दिया उसके बारे में.
किसने बोला? सुमित और संकेत? संजीव. अरे संजीव कौन था यार, मैं भी भूल गई.
नहीं, मैं हूँ, लेकिन संदीप ने पूछा है मैं क्या हूँ. संदीप क्या है?
संदीप क्या है?
हाँ, मैं हूँ इंडियन ईस्ट.
संदीप. नो, संदीप इज दिस. क्या है उसका नाम? दादोभाई नवरोजी. संदीप याद है?
नहीं, वो
No,
निर्भय
दीदी. No, this is the. Yeah.
मैं और आप कुछ तो है ना दीदी. क्या थे आप? मैं और आप कुछ तो थे.
अरे हाँ,
वो हम ये थे, द लैंड होल्डर्स एंड द बंगाल ब्रिटिश इंडियन सोसाइटी एसोसिएशन. ओके, सॉरी एक मिनट. ओके, सो फिर उसके बाद मैंने बोला ना कि एमिनेंट पीपल लाइक फिरोज शाह, दादोभाई नवरोजी, रहीमुल्ला सयानी, काशीनाथ त्रिमक तेलंगा, Gopal Krishna Gokhale participated in this session. Okay, so पहला इंसान कौन था?
Umesh Banerjee
Sandeep. No, you and Sandeep.
No, barabar. Preeti is right. It's Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. He's the first fellow.
Yeah, वही.
Okay, now he's the first fellow. Now next thing we see is what happened. Now Alan.
दादाजी.
Okay, fine. Let's get back. Now Alan, a British officer in India, took significant lead in the founding of the Indian National Congress. Now this guy, Allan Octavian Hume, now he was who? He was a retired army officer. Okay, he was a retired army officer, and he saw what was happening in India. So he said, let's make an Indian. Let's make an Indian organization. Fine. Now in this first session, what happened? 9 resolutions were passed. Okay, 9 resolutions were passed.
Didi,
tell me.
Can you repeat again the who retired officer? Who is retired officer?
Allan Octavian Hume. ALLAN OCTAVIAN HUME. Allan Octavian Hume. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry. अभी किसने बोला? Okay, fine. Let's now Allan Octavian Hume को हम साइड में रख देते हैं, ठीक है? Now this guy, he's साइड में मतलब we just know who he is. We came to know that he's a retired army officer. Then what he took, he took a step of finding an Indian National Congress. Then what happened in this session? Now when this session took place, that means that happened where in Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College. What happened is now this session had 9 resolutions which were passed. Now through these resolutions, okay, demands for obtaining a commission to inquire into the British administration in India, to appoint elected representatives of people on central and provincial legislative assemblies, to employ Indians in administrative services, to conduct civil service examinations in India, to to see the to curtail military expenses, to sanction more funds for higher education, and to make provisions for technological education were put forth. Now, I'll tell you in short what they said about these resolutions. Fine. 1 minute. Fine. So, what they said is the first is now your 9 resolutions will be also given by your teacher, nicely put point में अच्छे से आपको दे देगी, ठीक है? So what is it is like now there were very less people in civil services. Okay, Indian had very less in another. It was only British people. So unko bola these resolutions said no, we want people into the civil services also. Let there be civil service examinations also. The civil service examinations कैसा होता था पता है? In like for example, there are 50 people. Okay, now from the 50 people, there will be only 2 people who are Indians, or 3, mostly 3. खींच के 3 रहेंगे. That is not this. That shouldn't be the the curriculum of the examinations. There should be बैलेंस्ड ब्रिटिशर्स भी होने चाहिए, इंडियंस भी होने चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ ब्रिटिश लोग हो सकते हो, 3 इंडियंस हो सकते हैं जो हमारे एक तो हमारे देश में वो लोग हैं. Okay, we should also get some rights, right, in our country. So that was one thing. The next thing that we see is to appoint a commission to inquire into the British administration in India. मतलब जो भी doubts है, जो भी है, वो ब्रिटिश एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को डायरेक्टली पूछ सकते हैं उसके बारे में. फिर प्रोविंशियल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबलीज पीपल शुड रिप्रेजेंट. सो बेसिकली क्या होता है इज लाइक कमिंग अप टू ऑल द पॉइंट. नाउ इन द ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट, ओके, आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल व्हाट माय टीचर गिव मी. ओके, इन द ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट कैसा होता था, लाइक द जुडिशरी, तो छोटे छोटे जो कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स है या छोटे छोटे जो ऑफिसेस है पूरे पार्लियामेंट में, वो सब ब्रिटिशर्स ही भरती थी. ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है, राइट? पीपल वर थिंकिंग. नाउ दे एक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू दीज रेजोल्यूशंस. दे मेड दैट इंडियन शुड बी इंक्लूडेड इन दिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. इंडियन शुड कम इन दिस गवर्नमेंट थिंग. इंडियन शुड नो what exactly they are doing in the government. Officers should be like, अगर मैंने एक कंपनी खोल दी, ठीक है, निर्भय, प्रीति, संदीप and संजीव are Britishers, okay, and Sanket and संकेत, सुमित are good working people, मतलब educated लोग हैं, तो भी मैंने उनको चपरासी बना के छोड़ दिया. Okay, sorry, मैं अगर ऐसा वर्ड यूज कर रही हूँ, I'm very sorry, but then I'm just giving an example. I have just made them a clerk, okay, clerk, but they are not a clerk. They do not have a capability of a clerk. उनकी capability क्या है कि निर्भय, प्रीति और who's that other fellow who I used? कौन है ये?
Sanjeev.
Sanjeev, Sanket and Sumit have the capability of these 3 people. They should also be in the parliament. Why are they not in the parliament? Why are they in a lower caste? They shouldn't be there. So that way, they started preparing all these things, because it is a right. It was a right of every citizen to get into the parliament. Obviously, to हक तो बनता है हमारा. Okay, and then what happened how they now to raise fund. Now what used to happen is, now only the rich could afford it to go to has anybody seen Special 30? Special 30 देखी किसी ने?
Special 30?
No, I don't like movie.
Okay, who else watched the movie Special 30?
I am only like love movie, South movie.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you this.
वो क्या है, बॉलीवुड है, टॉलीवुड है?
It's a Hollywood movie. ऋतिक रोशन की मूवी थी यार.
Didi?
Yes.
Didi, it is historical movie or not?
No, it's not a historical movie. It's just a normal movie wherein this guy, what is his name? Anand. Anand. Okay, he's an actual guy. Okay, Hrithik Roshan is playing his character, playing his bio, where Anand teaches the IIT students, who cannot afford it,
The soybean should cut, no?
दीदी के पास कोई तो आ गया।
दीदी से सोयाबीन पूछा जा रहा है।
अभी तो मुझे लग रहा है कि हमें मूवी देखने जाना चाहिए।
नहीं वो कुछ तो पूछे बाबा, कुछ और ही पूछे थे।
सोयाबीन।
नहीं भाई इंग्लिश में कुछ तो पूछे, दीदी का नाम लिया फिर कुछ तो पूछने लगे उनको इंग्लिश।
सॉरी मेरी माँ आके सोयाबीन के बारे में पूछ रही थी।
देख मेरी
Get back to the topic. Okay. So क्या हो गया था in this movie? Basically क्या होती है कि ये जो आनंद जी है, who's the actual person, he teaches the IIT like जैसे गरीब बच्चे होते हैं ना, एकदम गरीब, like जो नाले में जो काम, हाँ लोअर कास्ट या जो वैसे काम। सो देयर इज अ सेइंग नो इन इंडिया कि राजा का बेटा राजा ही बनेगा। सो ही वांटेड टू चेंज दिस, he wanted to basically change this and make it like no, the person who has the capability can become a king. It's not necessary that जरूरी नहीं है कि राजा का बेटा राजा ही बनेगा। अरे तुम भी बन सकते हो यार, अगर तुम्हें भी कैपेबिलिटी है तो तुम भी बन सकते हो राजा का बेटा। सो दैट वे ही वांटेड टू प्रूव लाइक दैट। सो व्हाट ही डिड इज अरे बहुत अच्छी मूवी है यार, मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगी। मैं और मेरी किस्मत इतनी अच्छी कि मैं मेरी फ्रेंड के साथ गई थी एंड लकीली वी गॉट द टिकट्स बिकॉज़ बहुत
1 मिनट आप थोड़ी स्टोरी मतलब रिपीट कीजिए, फिर हम बता सकते हैं ना कि कौन।
क्या पता हम
मेरे को एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं समझा, जिसने भी बोला ना मेरे को एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं समझा। बोलो वापस बोलो।
मैं क्या
आप बताओ
स्टोरी रिपीट कीजिए। तो
स्टोरी बताओ। अच्छा मैं स्टोरी बता रही हूँ। अच्छा ठीक है, स्टोरी बताती हूँ। तो क्या हुआ है, दिस गाय ही ब्रॉट मतलब उन्होंने एक पैम्पलेट में, एक पेपर में इश्तेहार जो होता है ना, लाइक न्यूज लेटर्स पोस्ट कर दिया सब जगह, दैट जिसको पढ़ना है करके आप आओ। तो उसको एक बैच मिलती है 30, वो एग्जामिनेशन लेता है 30 पीपल का, और फिर वो बैच से लेके वो लोग अपना एग्जाम्स और वो सब बच्चों को जो IITians बनना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, बहुत अलग अलग, लाइक मरीन engineering and NASA, then wherever all these technical things they want to do is, तो उनको ट्रेन करते हैं, उनको उनका जो परीक्षा रहता है IIT के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं। सो वेरी वेल ही हैज शोन एंड व्हाट हैपेंड इज, वो ऐसा क्यों करते हैं, व्हाई ही डज दैट, बिकॉज उनको ना he was a very good mathematician, okay, and he wanted उन्होंने एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था जो कैम्ब्रिज की तरफ से डाला गया था ना। कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी एवरीबॉडी नोस, कैम्ब्रिज, हार्वर्ड, ऑक्सफोर्ड, सुना है?
दीदी कैम्ब्रिज सुना है?
कैम्ब्रिज या सुना है? Yeah, these universities are like awesome man, awesome. अगर मिल जाए ना किसी को भी, मतलब लाइफ बन जाएगी तुम्हारी। वैसे
आप क्यों ले जाते हो उसमें?
नहीं मेरी I don't want to use the word also. मेरी उतनी अच्छी नहीं है। I can't go there. So far I can't go. Coming back to the topic, guys.
एक बार वो मूवी का नाम बताओ एक बार।
Special 30.
Special 30।
हाँ, Special 30. नहीं, not Special 30. Sorry, Super 30. I am myself confused. Super 30. ठीक है। तो बेसिकली उसे अपॉर्चुनिटी ना, ही वाज मतलब बिहार साइड का रहने वाला। his father was a postman. His father was a postman. तो इतना पैसा नहीं था उसको कैम्ब्रिज भेजने के लिए। So that's how he missed an opportunity. Okay, so ये जो बोला है ना ये लोग ने, रेजोल्यूशन जो लिखा है ना, to sanction more funds for higher education and to make provisions for technological education were put forth. तो बेसिकली हमारी इंडियंस को ना अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती थी जाने के लिए। Okay, they should not get opportunities. So that is the reason only the rich used to get opportunity. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके पास पैसा होता था। ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है भाई, अगर तुम्हें दिमाग है तो तुम भी जा सकते हो, but they should not set. So that was put forward like कि तुम funds दो ऐसे बच्चों को, scholarship दो ऐसे बच्चों को। So that's how scholarship started coming. वीर मूवी देखिए, वीर, सलमान खान की वीर। संदीप बात
सलमान
करना
खान का भी मूवी नहीं देखने का।
No, no, no.
नो अरे
एक्चुअली देखी होगी लेकिन याद नहीं रहते ना कौन सी मूवी कभी देखी।
so they were also sent with scholarship no to England भेजा गया था ना उनको, वो उनके भाई गए थे इंग्लैंड पढ़ने के लिए and all that stuff. So that all movie details and all that. So we have done with 2 point, that is 6.4 and 6.3
6.3.
yeah 6.3 and 6.4. I will finish 6.5 today कैसे भी करके, वरना हमारा ये पेज ऐसे ही रह जाएगा. Okay, now we're going to study about moderate and extremist. So when we say moderate, okay, the first thing when we say moderate, can somebody tell me what exactly is moderate?
The modern, like,
मॉडर्न से जुड़ा है क्या कुछ?
हाँ
Didi?
मॉडर्न से जुड़ा क्या कुछ?
moderates no
अच्छा.
हाँ tell me कौन बात कर रहा था अभी, बोलो.
No, I was saying that like moderate means modern.
No, moderates means what basically is fine. I'll give you an example. Now moderates, no, जिसको like for example, there is Mangal Pandey. Fine, there is Mangal Pandey, and there is 1 minute. I'll tell you who it is.
संजू दुबे.
No, it is Surendranath Banerjee. Fine. Now Surendranath Banerjee and Mangal Pandey. Fine. Now Mangal Pandey का स्वभाव कैसा था? Like कि मुझे रिवॉल्ट करना है, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है, मतलब मुझे वो लड़ना है. Okay. एंड सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी का क्या था कि नहीं भाई प्यार से भी समझाया जा सकता है, अरे लिख के या लेटर्स लिख के या बात अच्छे से करके भी यू कैन सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स. फाइन, अंडरस्टूड. Okay, now I'll give you a thing. Now moderators are those people who believe in what? In patience, steadiness, consolation and humility. They always thought one second. ये मेरे भाई ने बाथरूम क्या साफ कर दिया, ऐसा लग रहा है जंग जीत गया वो. Sorry. So what happened is कि these moderators believe in the moderate. क्या होता है, like I'll give you another example, एकदम बेसिक एग्जांपल. अगर आपको पानी पीना है, ठीक है, गर्म पानी पीना है, ठीक है, आप कितना गर्म पियोगे? डाइल्यूट करोगे, थोड़ा वार्म पियोगे कि एकदम गर्म पियोगे? मीडियम.
No, not medium, हल्का गरम.
So moderate. So that way, हल्का वाला गरम. Okay, moderate means हल्का वाला. Just take an example. Moderate, हल्का वाला गरम, and extremist मतलब गरम, बहुत ज्यादा गरम. तो अगर मैं extremist बोलूं तो आपको समझ में आएगा अभी गरम ब्लड वाला इंसान कौन था. अभी मैंने एग्जांपल दिया उसका.
मैं बताऊं, मंगल पांडे.
Mangal Pandey.
Very good. So you understanding the moderate and extremist? ठीक है.
Yes.
अभी और एक दूसरा एग्जांपल देती हूँ, ठीक है. Now there's a fight going on between Sanket and Sumit. Okay, there's a fight going on between Sanket and Sumit on the topic say क्रिकेट पे उनकी लड़ाई चल रही है. Fine.
Yes.
And what is happening is अभी प्रीति है, ठीक है, प्रीति है and निर्भय is there. Fine. Now प्रीति is telling कि भाई उसको ऐसा मत, अरे छोड़ रही, जाने दे, अरे क्या कर रहे, छोड़ना, जाने देना यार, चल वापस दोस्ती करते. एंड निर्भय से अबे उसको मार, अरे और जोर से मार, और चिल्ला, अरे गाली भी दे उसको. You guys tell me who is moderate and who is an extremist from here?
प्रीति मॉडरेट और निर्भया एक्सट्रीम है.
हाँ, समझा.
Yes.
ओके कूल. चलो एक मेरी टीचर ने भी इतना मेरे को बोला नहीं रहेगा मॉडरेट और एक्सट्रीमिस्ट, लाइक यू नो फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. हम लोग में भी ये, हम लोग जब छोटे थे वी हैड लर्न दिस चैप्टर, तो हम लोग की टीचर, ये दूसरी टीचर ने हमको ऐसा बताया कि झगड़े के बारे में एंड ऑल दिस. सो यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, राइट? मॉडरेट्स एंड एक्सट्रीमिस्ट.
Yes.
अगर दीदी के टीचर ऐसा सुनेंगे तो उनको गर्व होगा, बोलेगा मेरे स्टूडेंट इतना अच्छा समझाती है.
हाँ, तो दीदी भी टीचर बनने वाले हैं ना.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's get back to the chapter. So what happened is, at about the same time, a debate emerged, especially in Maharashtra, arguing about the priority of political reforms or I think it's minority. Ek minute over again. Why priority of political reforms over? Okay, sorry. Priority of political reforms over priority of social reforms. So there was this argument going on because about what? Priority of political reforms over priority of social reforms. Now the extremist wing of thinkers insisted that independence should be the natural priority. An independent nation could provide a right setup for social reformation. On the other hand, the moderators thought that without social reformation, independence was incomplete. They did not mind appealing to the British government to help in task of social reform. As I said, no, these moderators were like प्यार से सुलझाने वाले लोग, ऐसे वैसे, but ये extremists कैसे थे? अरे तोड़ो, नहीं मान रहे, तोड़ो, चलो तोड़ो. Like one, I can give you one.
Did he like Hitler, na?
Yeah, like Hitler, but in India, like Hitler कुछ ज़्यादा ही था. Hitler बहुत ज़्यादा था यार, बहुत ज़्यादा था. Okay, he was doing it for his own welfare. He was not doing it for the country's welfare. Okay, extremist people do it for the country's welfare. Fine. Okay.
सिद्दीकी का डायलॉग, ए मारो इसको.
हाँ, like one example I can give you ना, अभी फिलहाल तो लाइट बिल का चल रहा है, ठीक है. लाइट बिल कितना आ रहा है लोगों का, कितना आ रहा है. एंड ये अपनी लाइट बिल वाली मान रहे. आई बिलीव दैट एवरीबडी इज हैविंग दैट महाराष्ट्र का ऐप, नो, महावितरण का चल रहा है सबका, महावितरण का. सो व्हाट, वन सेकंड, जस्ट लेट मी गेट टू द पेज. ये तो बहुत ऊपर चला गया. अरे मेरे पास बहुत कम टाइम है. God. Just give me a minute. हाँ, so what I was saying is the example of wherein our bills are coming really high, and some people are talking. Some people are like कि भाई आप कुछ करो, like to the office, like please do something. They're writing letters, they're posting on Instagram, they're posting on Facebook, they're posting and they're requesting people. But some people are going to the office and breaking the office and the glasses and all those things. So you can get my point. Are you guys getting my point? कि मतलब
Yes.
the people who are breaking it are like कि भाई कम करके दो बिल, कम कैसे भी करके कम करके दो. And the moderate and the guys who are like the petition and all they are filing, they are like the normal moderators. So you understanding? I can give you one example of the recent times. Okay, but they're not called as moderators
Yes,
because it is not like a country का thing and all. Like freedom की बात नहीं है ज़्यादा उनकी इसमें, ठीक है? Fine. Now we see the theory part. Now Gopal Ganesh Agarkar was at helm of those who insisted on the priority of social reforms. He used to say that we need to first reform ourselves. Now, on the contrary, Lokmanya Tilak, who was the leader of the extremists, Lokmanya Tilak भी extremist के leader थे. अभी तुम बोलोगे अरे दीदी वो कैसे extremist का leader है? उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने तो पेपर चालू किया. पेपर बराबर चालू तो किया, लेकिन पेपर में क्या लिखा? कितना सुना, like indirectly British को कितना सुनाया? That also makes a like an extremist also, right? अगर तुम किसी को सुना रहे हो,
उसका blood भी hot है.
Yeah, he was called as a blood. कुछ तो बोला गया था ना उसके बारे में. One let me recollect. उसको कुछ तो बोला गया था किसी
Because मैंने जीके में देखा था, आया था जीके में.
Yes, he was a hot blood. और भी कुछ तो बोला था यार. But there is he is known as Lokmanya Tilak, yes, but उनके साथ भी कुछ तो नाम आते हैं. I will get to know. मैं वापस रिवाइज करके, अगर मैं लास्ट ईयर ही पढ़ा था मैंने, क्या था यार वो उसका नाम.
गूगल करो दीदी, गूगल.
नहीं, अभी मेरे पास गूगल का टाइम नहीं है. 6:54 मैं आई विल टेल यू गाइस, ठीक है. आई कम फट ये खत्म करते हैं, ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इज, नाउ he was the leader of the extremists. Now he used to say that the home taken over by others should be recovered first, then only we can reform it. For example, मतलब क्या बोला उसने कि अगर हम अपने आप ही सुधर, like for example we see दैट हिंदू मुस्लिम का झगड़ा हो गया था and then divide and rule thing was happening. He said that if Hindu Muslim only don't come together, then how are things going to work? How are we going to how are we proceeding? I guess अगर ये दोनों religions ही मतलब अगर यूनियन में नहीं है तो कैसा चलेगा? How will it go? You have to come in union together, साथ में आना पड़ेगा, and then we can do something, and then we can take out the British from the country. So then Firoz Shah Mehta, Gopal Krishna Gokhale were the leaders of the moderates, and they felt that if they could convince the British, they failed of convincing. So basically all this entire thing मैं ना next chapter में इसके बारे में पढ़ूंगी, जो टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है पढ़ूंगी, because it is really big and it is already 6:55. Okay, it is 6:55. थोड़ा बड़ा है, ज्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है, but it is already 6:55 and I know you guys are really tired.